So I enjoy the fact that it tells me what to expect. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Instacart Strategies. I am so happy to have you guys here today. Now, let me prefix. I know I've been gone for a while, but things have changed a little bit. So today we're going over the positive, beneficial things about the Instacart Shopper app update.
Come on in. Have you a seat? I don't want it in. You should make a habit of me, baby. You in the win.
Story time. Customers being over the top. Sometimes I feel like if you have a low rating, I have a pretty low rating right now, like a 4.83. Don't even get me started on that story. But a 4.83, so I feel like Instacart knows you're willing to accept lower batches because your rating is lower. So they take more of the tip. Yes, it's been confirmed. Instacart definitely takes part of your tip. I had one guy, he gave me a $5 tip cash and then said, hey, did you get the rest of the tip? I looked at it afterwards. He said it was supposed to be 20. It was like 19 or 14. I can't remember. It was a while ago. It was like not 20. So watch out for that. But yeah, so the lady was being all weird. She ordered a bunch of deli meat, but the order was only $20. So I was just like, it was quick. So I got it done, just trying to get the rating back up. She was being super weird. Like, they didn't have this, they didn't have that. She was upset. She didn't want replacements. Then she did want replacements. I felt like maybe she was a shopper just trying to waste my time. Stranger things have happened. But end all be all, I did my absolute 5-star service tour, gave it a paper bags, make sure it was nice and neat, read the delivery note. At first I took it to the front door, then it said garage door. I took it to the garage door. Of course, she's out in her car just waiting. I don't know if she thought I would think she was someone else or what, but she just sitting there watching me. Like, so I give her a wave, hey, smile, blah, blah, blah. I got my mask on, but I'm still smiling underneath. They can see the smile through your eyes. So in the story, I gave 5-star service so well that I even put it in the garage door. So good of service that it's like, there's no way she's gonna be able to give me a bad rating or be upset about any replacements or refunds. I always ask, do you want replacements? Do you want refunds? What do you need to give me a 5-star, bro? Because that's the name of the game right now. I'm trying to get back up. Look out for that, guys. Watch out for customers. Kill them with kindness. If you're a strategic thinker, you already know the way the game goes. Customer service is key in the gig economy. Instacart Strategies, story time. Till next time. Yup. Shit, man. Shit that happens when you're Instacart. I also really enjoy just the way the batches look now. How they have the separation between each order. I feel like it's a little faster to grab batches, so you got to be a little quicker nowadays. Or just be like super close to the store. You're gonna see a bit more of batches for that store. I feel like they've updated that, and that feels a little better. It just seems a little, everything seems a bit smoother. Yeah, they have a lot of work to do still. If you're thinking that, then yeah, I agree. But all in all, I'd say it's better than what it was. But now, maybe in different areas, you guys aren't experiencing that. And it has been like, one day it'll be the new app update. Next day it'll be the old app update. Then it'll be a whole completely different app update. So I don't know which app update you may be dealing with. Just comment below. Tell me how yours may look different than mine. I'm gonna do a split screen somewhere throughout the video so you guys can see some of the things that I'm referring to. But all in all, the pros for the new app update would have to be just the way that the UI of the app design is. I just like it better. I feel like it's smoother. It works a little better for me in my area.
Something that I couldn't get used to, no. It's me and you, and I be thinking I need to, no. You coming over, girl, let me know.
Secondly, another pro, I like that it displays whether or not you're going to be able to communicate with the customer. So it'll let you know if the customer you're dealing with is using like a Kroger app or Albertsons app or whatever for delivery. Normally, if that's the case, they're not going to contact you because they don't even really use that function, because they don't probably necessarily know they have that function. Most of the time, if I'm having good communication with a customer, it's because they're using the actual Instacart app. Also, customers who are using Kroger app or, you know, the online ordering as opposed to the actual Instacart for their delivery cannot rate your service. That is the it pops up on the order now. It shows you which orders are possibly going to get you rated, which orders are possibly not. Now, I don't know if that means you're not going to be able, if that's like not going to count towards your batches, as far as if you're trying to increase your rating. I don't know if that helps or doesn't help. I would assume it still counts towards your total 100 orders, you know, your rolling orders. But don't quote me on that. I still got to do a little more research and just play around with it a little bit to see how it affects my rating long term. Because I've been getting a lot more of those batches. Or maybe I just didn't really know that they were online orders beforehand. So, 2 pros that I like with the new Instacart update. Sorry, guys, it's been a long time. I've been away, vacation, working other gigs, doing other jobs, just trying to figure out the new economy after Corona, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. It's still kind of going, but I feel like things have already changed so much. I'm trying to keep up, and I'm trying to keep you guys informed on actual and actionable information in this new gig economy. My name is Eugene Johnson. This is Instacart Strategies. And if you're watching me and you kind of like the video, give it a thumbs up, because you must be a strategic thinker. What's up? You know what time it is. Shout outs. First off, my homie Cheeseburger in the last video was one of the first 5. And that's how you get in the shout out. You want to be shout out? You want to get a shout out in the next video? Then just be one of the first 5 to post on this one. Cheeseburger, Money in the Bank. Both of you guys have been there since like 100 subscribers. I can't believe you still with the movement. Let's keep it pushing. Just Cruising Mom, that's an awesome fucking name. Who else was it? Cheeseburger, Money in the Bank, Just Cruising Mom. Ron Hernandez. I've seen that name quite a few times. I appreciate your comments. Cheeseburger, Ron Hernandez, Just Cruising Mom, Money in the Bank, and Heaven Marie. I've also seen you in quite a few of the comments below on the videos, and like I said, I appreciate that. If you want to be a part of the movement, like, subscribe. So,
Same vibe that I do when I see you. Damn, baby, I need it.